The favourite feature is the peace. And everybody that comes here and sits on the deck and looks around, they just say, it's so peaceful, you know? And we're very fortunate not to have close neighbours. We have the space around us, we've got space in front, we've got space behind. It is really, really peaceful. And we've never sat on a deck so much, I don't think, since we came here.
This property, if you'd arrived here 30 years ago, would still look like this. You know, it's like if they've wound the clock back and pressed pause.
We've been centering on trying to go through all of the challenges ahead of us so that we can just sit back now and enjoy everything. We'll be off into every bay in this harbour as soon as we can.